Rumki's educational channel. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to Rumki's educational channel, where learning is simple, smart, and super fun. Today, we're diving into a skill that can unlock the full power of AI, prompt writing for ChatGPT. If you've ever felt stuck typing something and getting meh responses, this video is for you. What is a prompt? So, what exactly is a prompt? Think of it as the instruction you give to ChatGPT. The clearer and smarter your prompt, the better the result you'll get. It's like giving a genie your wish, but with good grammar and details. Why smart prompts matter? Why does this matter? Because ChatGPT is super powerful, but it only gives you what you ask for. Smart prompts save time, give better answers, and help you be more productive, whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, or just plain curious. The golden rules of prompt writing. Rule number 1, be specific. Instead of tell me about tenses, ask, give me 5 examples of present perfect tense with short explanations. Clear equals better results. Rule number 2, add context. Tell ChatGPT who you are or what you need. For example, I'm a 10th grade student. Can you explain photosynthesis in simple terms? Now it knows how to answer you. Rule number 3, use the right format. Want a table? A list? A short story? Just say it. Like, make a table comparing simple past and past perfect tense. Rule number 4, experiment and refine. Not happy with the answer? Tweak your prompt and try again. Prompt writing is like cooking. You can adjust the ingredients. Smart prompt examples. Explain Newton's laws with real-life examples. Write a 100-word essay on pollution for Class 6. Give me 10 multiple-choice questions on photosynthesis with answers. Create a study plan for my final exams in 30 days. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't be too vague. Tell me everything about history is too broad. Don't ignore context. ChatGPT is smart, but not a mind reader. Don't forget to check the answers. Always review the AI's response critically. Final tips. Remember, ChatGPT is your AI study buddy, but you're the boss. The better you communicate, the smarter your assistant becomes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rumki's educational channel for more smart learning tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite prompt or one you'd like me to test out in the next video. Simplifying studies, empowering futures, Rumki's educational channel.